People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. So news coming out of Jamaica in a viral video between two policemen. Yes, people, there was two policemen arguing on the side of the road in a Jamaica. And people, I don't know what, but someone just ignorant. Two police arguing and there was no sort of understanding, nothing going, people. If two police can act the way they did, and I'm going to play you the video after this, people. If two policemen can act like that, imagine how they would act with just a regular citizen. Imagine it's a police officer and a police officer. Imagine if it was just a regular citizen. Thing would have probably get crazy, people. It would probably get crazy. So it goes on to say the conflict between two policemen in a viral video showing a heated confrontation, both identifying themselves as police officers, has left the public asking several questions. The bust-up appears to have started after an inspector allegedly pulled his firearm on a police sergeant. The video shows the policemen in a standoff over an alleged traffic violation, which could have escalated into a deadly end, as the man who identified himself as Inspector Taylor could be seen clutching his holstered gun. This news article subsequently learned that the alleged offending officer is Sergeant Martin, attached to the Marine Division. The inspector could be heard repeatedly asking for his identification. In the video, Sergeant Martin is alleging he was assaulted by Inspector Taylor, who also pulled his gun in a threatening manner, which, according to Martin, triggered great anxiety. All this time, the unusual spat between both lawmen was playing out before curious onlookers and created a traffic jam. The incident has resuscitated discussion around police professionalism and training and how it would have played out if the alleged offending officer was a civilian. News article goes on to say that they contacted Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of the Corporate Communications Unit at the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Stephanie Lindsay, who says the matter is being investigated and a decision will be arrived at soon. Crazy people, and that's the question I have. What if this was a regular civilian? What if it was me, you, your uncle, mother, father, sister? What would have happened then? Because two police are go at it like that, and there are police officers who should be able to come to a mutual understanding, upheld the law and everything, but no, they might go back and forth. Crazy people. But check out the video that me I go play now with them going back and forth and talking about it. You see me? Big up in yourself once again, people. Thank you guys for tuning in to YaadAndAbroadTV. Much love and appreciation. Bless up, loving the people.
Watch out. Let me have the driver's license and documents with me. Driver, let me have the driver's license and documents.
Video everything you know, Powell. Video everything you know.
I don't have a problem with it.
Alright. I'm a sergeant of police.
I don't care a damn.
And this is my driver's license. What else do you need?
Let me see your ID.
This is what.
Let me see your ID.
You can't hold on to my ID. Here.
Driver, I want to tell me that.
Here it is. You can't hold on to my license. Here it is.
Well, driver's license. Let me have the driver's license.
Yeah, but what? Here I live. Listen.
Let me.
Never say assault me, you know.
What happened, man?
Never say assault me, you know, sir. This is not how we do it.
What happened?
You come out and
Driver, let me have the driver's license.
who you talking to?
Driver, let me have the driver's
No,
license
you can't have
inspection.
my driver's license, inspection. You're wrong.
All right?
Sir, you're wrong. You come out
No,
and
relax.
You push me.
Just
You
relax,
your gun for me.
Relax,
Everything.
Driver, let me have the driver's license
You're not
inspection.
going my driver's license after what you did to me.
Driver,
After
let me
what
have
you
the
did
driver's
to me.
license inspection.
After what you did to me. You're not going to have my driver's license.
Driver.
You assaulted me. You don't identify yourself to me. You come out with a gun.
And you said you need to identify yourself. You commit a breach of the road traffic act.
Did I hit your vehicle? Did I hit your vehicle? All that man need to be slow down when we go through, you know. You see it? You assault.
All the man need to be slow down. Why they overtaking around the corner? Why they overtaking around the corner? Dangerous like
So
that.
you what you do? Stop. Warn me for the offense and prosecute me. You can't come out and push me.
Driver,
You are gun for
let me have your driver's license
You
document.
shoot you with my gun too.
Driver, let me have the driver's
I'm not
license.
gonna have my driver's license. Go in, video everything, you know.
Driver,
Video everything.
let me have the driver's
And
license.
you are block the road, you know. And you are block the road. Me not block the road.
Driver.
You are block the road, no.
You must have don't need to go any further with you.
You're going to go further.
I don't need to go any further with you, you know.
Go
I
in.
gave them instruction, you know. I gave them instruction. Driver, let me have the driver's license.
When you come out and you assault me, you're going to identify yourself to me. I'm a sergeant of police. Everything should have happened, me shoot you. And you are block the road.
Hold on, you're checking me now.
This everything should have happened. You can't use a camera
Yes,
now.
sir,
I
no.
told police you can't use a camera too.
Yo, man.
You close the order.
Listen, let me have the driver's license.
Me overtake somebody if you commit a breach. Do the proper channel. You can't come out and push me and drag on for me.
Driver,
What is your name? What is your name?
driver, let me have your driver's license.
You have driver's
Up to
license.
now, you have not complied with whatever I request.
See you block up the road there.
I said up to now,
Hey, how many people do this, you know? And my vehicle block up the road, you know? I
Driver.
want to block up the road.
I'm Inspector Taylor. Let me have the driver's license and document, please, Inspector. Driver, I said, let me have your driver's license and
Remember say
document,
assault me, you know, Mr.
Inspector.
Taylor. Remember say assault me. Remember that. Remember say assault me.
Driver, let me have your driver's license and document. Up to now, you have not complied with any of the requests.
Remember,
Let me have the
remember
driver's
all the way
license.
you know, Mr. Taylor, because I'm a Saudi.
Well, you know what it
I'm a
is?
Saudi.
All right, you notice that you get my name. What is your name,
I am
Sergeant?
Sergeant Barrington Martin, sir. You're out of
From
order.
Sergeant
You
Barrington
can't come out,
Martin,
come
from?
push me. You can't come out, come push me and drag one for me. Me not give you no driver's license because you're doing the wrong way, Mr. Taylor, if I say if you're inspector. And you have blocked up the road.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
And you have blocked up the road.
You have not complied with none of the requests that I made me of you. All right. All right. Sit down.
Remember, say assault me, Mr. Taylor. You drag one for me and you push me.
Come back to where station?
I don't know where you station.
Property,
Remember where you doing now.
property management and maintenance and unit. Where station, Mr. Martin?
Remember where you doing now, Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Martin, I am from the property management and maintenance and unit. Service division. Where are you from? Mr. Martin, which division are you from?
Remember where you
Mr. Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin. Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Why? Take my phone from me.
Sergeant Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Bossy, you know, sir, me overtaking at the junction, right? The man come up on me. As a result, they have to pass the vehicle when they have overtake because there would have been an accident. By me reach, where's the name?
Temple Estate.
When me reach Temple, I want PNU vehicle, man, block me in the bridge. The man come out with his gun in his hand, chuck me on the car, push me around, slap me, and now when I identify myself in them, I'm like, you have a police car, you know, give me no time for charge, you know. Say name Inspector Taylor. Yes, he assault me. He pushed me on the car and drawing gun on my face. Ah, no.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
Here. And you have blocked up the road with the police.
Sergeant, which division are you from? Sergeant, which division are you from?
Okay, sir.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
Now talk to you again now because you come out and you push me. I saw the deal with
Yo,
motor with
Sergeant.
you assaulted me.
Sergeant,
you gun for
you
me.
know what is a stop you and you don't comply with none of the requests?
You said if you come out that car and you come out.
Sergeant,
So I help you to do.
let me see your driver's
So
license.
you're blocking up the road and you are blocking up the
No,
road.
Sergeant, I said let me see your
and you are
driver's
blocking up the
license.
road and you are blocking up the
Let me
road.
see your driver's license, Sergeant.
Keep that in your... Put that away. Put that away.
Sergeant,
And you-
let me see your driver's license. As a matter of fact, I need to see your ID.
You need to see my ID again.
Yes,
me
I
not see
need to
yours.
see your ID.
Me not see yours. Me not see yours. And them say
Sergeant,
they have to block
I
up the
need
road.
to
See
see
police
your
vehicle block
ID.
up the road. We don't see police vehicle block up the road. Watch it. Look there.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID.
Remember, say you assaulted me, you pushed me on the vehicle, and you
Sergeant.
draw your gun for me.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID. You take out ID up to now I'm not certain if it's a legitimate ID. Let me see your ID. Alright? What's the number? 0642. What's the number?
So what? I want to talk to you. You all thought that you assaulted me.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm